guys, it is so pretty. This is the box where it says iPhone, and the apple, it's pink. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. I'm so excited to see it. And I also got some cases already for it on Shein. Okay, let's open it. It's not glossy, it looks matte. It's so pretty. Even the apple is pink. This one's actually pink, and it's like a pretty pastel pink. I don't know if you guys can see it. Power, the volume, and the sound. But it's also in pink. Now we're gonna peel it. I definitely outgrew this screen because it's kind of small. You can see the comparison. This one's definitely way more lighter. The cable that it came with, this feels like good quality, and it's definitely going to last longer because the old one will tend to kind of break off right here. So now I'm going to turn it on and transfer my stuff. Look at how clear it looks. So right now I'm transferring my data to my other phone, but these are the cases that I chose. My favorite time of the year is Christmas, so I had to get this cute pastel Christmas case and this flower one. I have a few more coming in, especially for Halloween. I have a screen protector, and I also have the little rhinestones that you can put on the camera. I got these on Shein, by the way. Use my discount code for some money off. This one is definitely my favorite. I don't even care if it's October and I'm like 2 months early, but I'm definitely going to put this case on. It is so pretty. It's like pastel. I just love this. And this one's like my favorite. It says like Merry Christmas. It looks so cute and girly. The screen protector was $3. The cases were $1, and the diamond thing was $1 as well. I saw that some brands didn't have cases available for the 15, so I was a little bit worried. And the ones that did have the cases available for the 15, they were going for really expensive, and I love to save money, okay? I like to look expensive but like on a budget. Oh Jesus Christ, it was the old one. I had to tell my man. It was the old one. I was taking my pictures on the Canon G7X, which is good, but it sucks because you can't move a lot, and sometimes the Canon G7X, when I take pictures, it would take a long time for it to take a photo, and it would be annoying because I was limited on how to pose. Cute! Yes, glamour. I'll still take some pictures on my G7X because sometimes I do like how the pictures be coming out. iPhone 12, the camera was cute, but I would always have to sharpen my photos, and which was so annoying. I just wish it would just be crystal clear in HD, and it wasn't. It would come out blurry. This was definitely worth the wait because I'm the type of person that I don't want to keep updating iPhone, only if it's worth it, and this one was definitely worth it. I'm doing this because I'm putting on the screen protector. Okay guys, so the screen protector is on, and I did it so perfectly. Look at how pretty it is. I'm definitely going to purchase more cases that are clear because that's the whole reason why I got the pink one, because I want to show it off, and it's so freaking cute, especially with the rhinestone. I'm editing the video right now, but I wanted to show you the Halloween case. It finally came in, and I did take off the rhinestone for the camera because I like it better without it. The buttons are just so smooth. Everything's just perfect. I really love it. It's so lightweight, and it works so fast, and it's so crystal clear. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Toodles!